Hi again, it's week 3 of our preposition series. Today we're moving on to prepositions that come after adjectives. These are just as important, so let's practice them together. So here are the examples for today. My brother is afraid spiders. Of, he's afraid of spiders. She's really angry, her boss. With, she's angry with her boss. I'm very close. My sister. To my sister. This exercise isn't very different. The last one. From, different from the last one. Rachel is worried losing her passport. About, we're worried about something. You're doing great. Don't forget to practice using these adjectives with prepositions in your own sentences. You can do it in the comments, but better in real life. And join me next week for the final video in the series. And if you'd like the PDF with all the prepositions we're going to cover, comment PDF and I'll send it over.